Hello and welcome to another video of arithmetic progression. Okay, so we have completed exercise 1 and we have completed exercise 2 of arithmetic progression. In this video we are going to begin our next practice set, which is practice set 3.3. Okay, so before we begin the practice set, let us assume that we have a arithmetic progression of this type. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This is an arithmetic progression, right? Because the common difference is 1. Every time you want to get a new term, you add 1 to the previous term. So this is an arithmetic progression and I want to find out the sum of all numbers. Sum of all numbers means सबको add करके कितना आएगा. Okay, so if I try to do it manually, how will I have to do? I'll have to manually add each and every number, right? So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 6. Now I'll have to start adding. So यहाँ तक 15 हो गया. Okay. So यहाँ तक सबको add करके 15 हो गया. Next I can start adding here. So 10, 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 plus 10 is 15 plus 10 is 25. So 25 plus 7 plus 8. So 7 plus 8 क्या होगा? 7 plus 7 is 14. Plus 1 is 15. So 15. So 15 plus 15 is what? 30. So 30 plus 25 will be 55. तो इन सारे नंबर्स का एडिशन क्या है? 55. ओके. सो अभी ये बहुत छोटे छोटे नंबर्स थे और सिर्फ 10 नंबर्स थे. व्हाट इफ हियर देयर वर 3 डिजिट नंबर्स एंड द टोटल नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स इन दिस एपी वाज लाइक 50. तो तुम लोग 50 नंबर्स को ऐड थोड़ी करते बैठोगे. सो वी नीड अ शॉर्टकट. ओके, सो व्हाट्स अ शॉर्टकट? Shortcut is basically we need a formula. Okay, so what we know till now is only one formula for AP. That formula is nth term Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. ये formula हमें पता है. ये formula है nth term के लिए. So formula for sum of all the terms क्या होगा? Formula for sum of all the terms होगा Sn. Sum of n terms. Okay, Sn यानी sum of n terms is equal to, यहाँ पे a है, राइट? a का तुम लोग पहले 2a कर दो. a का okay, before that I would say write it as it is. Tn का फॉर्मूला वैसे का वैसे लिख दो, a plus n minus 1 d. ये Tn का फॉर्मूला, बट हमें किसका फॉर्मूला चाहिए? Sn का. ओके, सो तुम्हें क्या मॉडिफिकेशन करना है? a की जगह पे 2a कर दो. सो 2 into a और ये पूरे के पूरे चीज को n by 2 से डिवाइड कर दो. ओके, सो व्हाट आर वी डूइंग? अगर तुम लोग को Sn का फॉर्मूला इजीली याद रखना है, सम ऑफ n टर्म्स, तो तुम लोग क्या करोगे? Tn का फॉर्मूला वैसे के वैसे लिख दो, फिर बाद में a की जगह पे 2a कर दो. ओके, सो फर्स्ट टर्म का डबल और पूरे के पूरे चीज को n by 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. सो दिस इज योर फॉर्मूला फॉर सम ऑफ फर्स्ट n नेचुरल terms. So let us try to find the sum using this formula. Okay, so इस फॉर्मूला अगर हम लोग सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे, n क्या है? कितने टर्म्स है? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 10. 10 टर्म्स है हमारे पास. so 10 upon 2. नेक्स्ट फर्स्ट टर्म क्या है मेरा? 1. so 2 into 1, 2 into 1 plus n minus 1. n मेरा 10 है, so n minus 1 will be 9. so 9 into d. common difference is 1. okay, so 10 divided by 2 will be 5. यहाँ पे 2 ones are 2 and 9 ones are 9. So 2 plus 9 is 11. 5 into 11. 5 into 11 is 55. So you got the same answer, right? And there is a much easier way. अगर समझो तुम्हारे पास बहुत बड़े बड़े numbers होंगे और तुम्हारे पास 70 terms है, 80 terms है, तुम 70-80 numbers को add नहीं करते बैठोगे. What you would rather do is just use this formula and find the sum of all terms. Okay. Okay, that's it. We can start with our exercise now. Okay, so we're beginning with practice set 3.3 का second sum. Okay, so what have they asked in the second sum? They have asked find the sum of first 123 even natural numbers. Okay, so we know the chapter name is arithmetic progression. तो तुम लोग को पहले एक AP बनाना होगा और फिर वो AP को देख के you will see how to solve the sum. Okay, so let's try making a AP first. So they have asked 123 even natural numbers. So natural numbers कहाँ से शुरू होते हैं? वो शुरू होते हैं 1 से. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on and so forth. All these are natural numbers. But तुम लोग को even natural numbers चाहिए. So first natural number 1, is it even? No. Next natural number 2, is it even? Yes, so I'll write that. Next natural number 3, is that even? No. Next natural number 4, is it an even number? Yes. So I've got my AP. So 2, 4, 6, 8, dot dot dot. These are my even natural numbers. Okay. And यहाँ पे कोई तो एक last term होगा. I don't know what that last term will be. Also, this is my first term. This is my second term, third term, fourth term, and this will be my nth term, right? But I know ये n क्या है? Why? Because I know कि यहाँ पे total numbers कितने होने चाहिए? यहाँ पे 4 numbers है, but यहाँ पे total कितने होने चाहिए? 123 numbers होने चाहिए, क्योंकि हमने 123 even natural numbers लिखने हैं. So ये nth term कौन सा term होगा? 123rd term होगा. Why will this be 123rd term? क्योंकि मुझे पता है यहाँ पे total numbers 123 होने चाहिए. Okay. So they have asked you all to find the sum of these numbers. So sum के लिए हमने एक formula देखा है. Let me write that formula in the rough column. Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Okay. So ये formula को use करने के लिए what all do we need? We need n. So do we have n? Yes, n is equal to 123. A we can find from the AP. Common difference D also you can find from the AP, and n, as I said, we have. So you need 3 things for using this formula. First is n, A and D. All 3 things you have already you can already see in the AP. Okay. So let us start solving the sum now. So you know from this that A is equal to first term, which is 2. D is equal to 4 minus 2 minus any 2 consecutive terms. So 4 minus 2 is 2. Next n is equal to 123. Now you can start solving the sum. Okay. So write the formula first. Writing the formula has its own marks. Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Okay. Now start substituting. N upon 2 is 123 upon 2. 2a, a is what? 2, so 2 into 2 plus n minus 1, n minus 1 will be 123 minus 1, so it will be 122 into d, d is 2. I know ये 123 से 123 2 से divide नहीं होने वाला है, so I'll keep it as it is, okay, and I'll solve the bracket first. So 123 divided by 2, 2 into 2 is 4 plus 122 into 2 is 244. Okay, so I'll get 123 divided by 2 into 244 plus 4 will be 248. Let me write this again on the right hand side. So I have Sn equal to 123 upon 2 into 248. So 123 से तो 123 तो divide नहीं होगा 2 से, but 248 हो सकता है, right? So I'll divide that. So I'll get 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8. So 124 I'll get. So I'm left with Sn is equal to 123 into 124. Okay. So this answer will come out to be Sn is equal to 15252. Okay, so you can check this by multiplying these two numbers, 123 into 124. They should come out to be 15252. Okay, so is the answer done here? The answer is no. You have to write the final answer in a statement form. So final answer is the sum of first 123 even natural numbers is 15252. Okay, and box of the final answer. Now your sum is complete. Okay, so it was a very easy sum. All you have to do is form a AP very correctly, find A, D and N. Once you find these three quantities for any AP, you all can find the sum very easily using this formula. Okay, that's it for this sum. Okay, we are moving on with the third sum now. Very similar sum to the second sum. Okay, so they have asked you find the sum of all even numbers between 1 and 350. So again, we'll follow the same steps. We'll first try to form an AP. Okay, so even numbers between 1 and 350. So what will be the first even number? 1 is not an even number, so next number is 2. So I will write 2. 2 is an even number. 3 is not an even number. 4 is an even number. Next, 5 is not an even number. 6 is an even number. So on and so forth. What will be your last even number? 350. 350 is an even number, right? But will you not consider 350 in this AP? The answer is no. Why? Because they have asked you between 1 and 350, right? 1 and 350 के बीच के numbers लेने, so 350 और 1 के तुम लोग नहीं ले सकते. Okay, so 350 is not valid for this AP. So 350 से एक number छोटा 349. Is that an even number? No. उससे एक और छोटा 348. Is that an even number? Yes. So I will write that as my last term. So my last term is 348. Okay. Similarly, I'll write this is my first term, second term, third term, and this is my nth term. So last term में मुझे पता था कि ये 123rd टर्म है, क्योंकि मुझे पता था टोटल 123 नंबर्स है, बट अभी मुझे पता नहीं है यहाँ पे टोटल कितने नंबर्स है. यहाँ पे डॉट डॉट लिखा है मैंने, वहां पे अंदर कितने सारे नंबर्स है आई डोंट नो येट. ओके, सो आई हैव रिटन दिस इज एन nth टर्म. लास्ट समय मुझे nth टर्म लास्ट टर्म कौन सा था मुझे नहीं पता था, बट यहाँ पे मुझे पता है कि लास्ट टर्म 348 है, क्योंकि मैंने एपी फॉर्म करते समय नोटिस किया कि लास्ट टर्म में लिख सकता हूँ. ओके, अगेन डू बैक कैलकुलेशन. व्हाट इज बैक कैलकुलेशन? पीछे से शुरुआत करो. सो फाइंड द सम ऑफ ऑल इवन नंबर्स, राइट? सो सम ऑफ ऑल इवन नंबर्स के लिए क्या फॉर्मूला है? Sn इज इक्वल टू n अपॉन 2 2a प्लस n माइनस 1 d. एंड नाउ चेक डू यू हैव एवरीथिंग. ओके, सो यू हैव a you know it will be 2. you have d you know is 2. do you know n? तुम्हें n नहीं पता, तुम्हें nth टर्म पता है. सो यू हैव टू फाइंड n फर्स्ट. ओके, सो n कैसे ढूंढोगे? तुम्हारे पास क्या है? tn है, राइट? nth टर्म इज tn. सो यू नो tn. tn का क्या फॉर्मूला है? tn इज इक्वल टू a प्लस n माइनस 1 d. नाउ चेक दिस फॉर्मूला. ओके, यहां पे यू हैड टू फाइंड, गिव मी अ मिनट. Here you had to find Sn, right? Sn तुम्हें find out करना है, इसलिए तुम्हें n, a और d पता होना चाहिए. n तुम्हें नहीं पता, so now you're trying to find n. In this case, what all do you know? You know tn. tn क्या है? 348. a you know is 2. d you know is 2. So can you find n? The answer is yes. So this will be your first step. tn का फॉर्मूला लगाओ और n find out कर लो. Then this will be your second step. Sn का फॉर्मूला लगाओ और Sn ढूंढ लो. Okay, this is how you back calculate. So if you want steps for solving the sum, these are the steps. Always back calculate. क्या पूछा है देखो, तुम्हारे पास सारे टर्म्स है क्या उस फॉर्मूला में? वो देखो, अगर नहीं है तो टर्म्स कैसे तुम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो गिवन में से, दैट यू हैव टू सी एंड यू विल फाइंड कि कौन से स्टेप्स पहले करने हैं. ओके, सो नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट सॉल्विंग द सम. सो आई नो फर्स्ट स्टेप विल बी माय tn का फॉर्मूला. I'll write whatever I know first. I know a is equal to 2. d is equal to 4 minus 2. I'll do 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. n नहीं पता मुझे, so I'll write tn. tn is equal to 348. I know, right? nth term is 348. So this all I know. Now start applying the formula for tn. So always write the formula. There are set of marks allotted for the formula. tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Okay. So a is 2, tn is 348 plus n minus 1. n minus 1 is I don't know, उसको find out करना है. d is again 2. So मैं 2 को पहले multiply कर दूंगा इस ब्रैकेट में. So 348 is equal to 2 plus 2 into n 2n, 2 into minus 1 minus 2. So यहाँ पे 2 and minus 2 will get cancelled. So plus 2 minus 2 gets cancelled. So I am left with 348 is equal to 2n. So I'll divide both sides by 2. So यहाँ पे divide by 2, यहाँ पे divide by 2. So on the right hand side 2 will get cancelled. यहाँ पे 2 ones are 2, 1 carry forward, 2 7s are 14, 2 4s are 8. So I'm getting 174. So I'm getting here n is equal to 174. So my first step is complete. Now I'll move on to second step. Second step is what? Using the formula of Sn. So Sn is equal to again, always remember to write the formula, directly substitute nahi karna or else you will lose marks. So n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, so everything in this formula now we know. So n upon 2 will be 174 upon 2. 2a will be 2 into 2 plus n minus 1. n मुझे पता है 174. 174 minus 1 will be 173. d is I know 2. Okay, so I'll try to solve the bracket first. I'll keep this as it is 174. After this you can solve anyway. Okay, so मैं जैसे solve कर रहा हूँ वही सही है, ऐसा नहीं है. Just make sure you are following the BODMAS rule. Brackets first, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. उस order में ही करना. Okay. So I'll solve. If you all want, you all can divide by 2 also here. So 174 by 2 भी पहले कर सकते हो. That is also okay. Into 2 into 2 will be 4 and 173. Okay, actually I can take 2 outside, right? यहाँ पे भी 2 है. An easier way to do this would be यहाँ पे भी 2 है और यहाँ पे भी 2 है. So both the terms have 2. I can take 2 outside. So I'll take 2 common और अंदर क्या बचेगा 2 plus 173. So 2 will get cancelled over here. Okay. I'm just trying to make the calculations easy. तुम किसी भी method से करो, the answer should come same. Okay. So here I will get 174 into 173. So all I have to do is multiply this. So the answer you will get is 30450. This is the answer you should get after you multiply these two numbers. Okay. So that was your sum. इसमें क्या अलग था? इसमें ये अलग था कि you all did not know n. Okay. So to find n, you all have to first use Tn का formula because you all knew nth term. So nth term का formula लगा दो, उसमें से n find out करो, and then it was very similar to the previous sum. Okay. So that's it for sum number 3. Next we are seeing the fourth sum. Okay, the fourth sum is again a little different. So that's the reason why I can't give you all one steps to build skills for the entire exercise. पहले क्या होता था कि मैं तुम लोग को कुछ steps दे देता था, ये सब rules है, ये सब steps है, और most of the sums could be solved using those steps in particular. But in 10th and in many chapters you cannot give one type of steps for each and every sum. Every time you have to think a little differently. Okay, so the best way to solve any sum, not in mathematics, in any subject, would be to back calculate. Okay, so how do you back calculate? Question mein, okay, let me first read out the question. In an AP, 19th term is 52, 38th term is 128. Find the sum of first 56 terms. Okay, so what did I tell you? Try to back calculate. So they have asked you sum of first 56 terms, right? So let me write the formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. This is the formula, right? Now check इसमें जो formula में लगने वाला है वो सब हमारे पास है कि नहीं. So n do we have? They have asked us to find the sum of first 56 term, right? 56 terms यानी n कितना है? 56, isn't it? So 56 terms बोले यानी n हमारा 56 है. So this n I know, this n I know. Next I want a and d. I cannot form an AP now, right? क्योंकि मुझे फर्स्ट टर्म भी नहीं पता, कॉमन डिफरेंस भी नहीं पता, तो एपी तो मैं फॉर्म नहीं कर सकता, बट इस फॉर्मूला में मुझे ए और डी लगने वाला है. सो आई हैव टू फाइंड ए एंड डी समहाउ. नाउ सी गिवन क्या है, गिवन में क्या क्या दिया है. गिवन में फर्स्ट थिंग दे हैव गिवन इज 19th टर्म इज 52. 19th टर्म यानी क्या, T19. T19 इज 52. So इसका फॉर्मूला क्या है, a प्लस n माइनस 1 d इज इक्वल टू 52. ये मुझे पहला गिवन है. सेकेंड गिवन, ओके, यहाँ पे n माइनस 1 के लिए मैं लिख सकता हूँ, राइट. लेट मी सब्स्टिट्यूट. सो 19th टर्म इज 52, राइट. सो यहाँ पे मैं 52 लिख रहा हूँ 19th टर्म के यहाँ पे. a प्लस n माइनस 1, n माइनस 1 यानी 19 माइनस 1, 19 माइनस 1 विल बी 18. So 18d. Okay, this is what I get from first condition given. Second condition given is 30th term in T38 is equal to, again I'll write the formula a plus n minus 1 d. So 30th term दिया है 128. 128 is equal to a plus n minus 1 will be 38 minus 1. 38 minus 1 is 37d. Okay. So मुझे चाहिए क्या, a and d, and what am I given? I have given these two equations. So can I solve these two equations? दो variables है a and d और मुझे पास दो equations है, so I can solve these equations, right? So when I solve these equations, I will get a and d. Those a and d I will put in this formula and I will get the final answer. This is how you think about a problem. How do you think? Back calculation. पहले देखो क्या पूछा है. They have asked SN is S56, क्योंकि फर्स्ट 56 टर्म्स का पूछा है, तो n तुम्हारे पास है, a and d नहीं है. a and d कैसे, कहीं से तो हमें निकालना पड़ेगा. देन यू सी क्या गिवन है. गिवन में दिया था 19th टर्म इज 52, 30th टर्म इज 128. फॉर्मूला लगाने के बाद मुझे आई एम गेटिंग टू इक्वेशंस इन टू वेरिएबल्स. वी ऑलरेडी नो हाउ टू सॉल्व टू इक्वेशंस इन टू वेरिएबल्स. सो सॉल्व दोस इक्वेशंस, गेट a and d. आफ्टर यू गेट a and d, you already know n. ये तीनों को यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दो, you will get the final answer. This is how you solve this sum. I'm not going to solve this sum. You all know how to solve equation in two variables. You all know how to substitute the values in this formula. So you can try this sum by yourself. Okay. Let's move ahead. Okay. So far in this practice set, we have done the second sum. We have also done the third sum. Fourth sum we haven't done completely. Half of it I have told you all how to solve it. What will be the steps? And I am expecting you all to complete the sum. So fourth half of the sum we have solved, and now we are trying to solve the sixth sum. Okay, so which are the remaining sums? The remaining sums are first and the fifth one. So first sum is a very simple. Complete the problem. They have solved the problem for you. You have to just fill in the boxes, and same is the case with fifth sum. Okay, fill in the boxes. So I am expecting first and fifth sum to be done by yourself. Okay, and I've done the second, third, and sixth sum. Fourth sum I've done it half for you, half. Remaining half you all are going to complete it by yourself. Okay, so now we are seeing the sixth sum. So to solve this sum, let me first read out the sum. Okay, sum of first 55 terms in an AP is 3300. Find the 28th term. Okay, so I don't know how to calculate. I can't form an AP. AP नहीं बना सकता मैं इस given information से. So what I'll do, the only thing I know is back calculate. Okay, क्या पूछा है देखो, and then figure out what can be done. So I'll draw a rough column first, and then I'll see what has been asked. They have asked us 28th term. Okay, they have asked us 28th term. 28th term यानी T28. T28 का क्या फॉर्मूला हो सकता है? It will be not 2a, it will be a plus n minus 1 d. n मुझे पता है 28 है, right? So a plus 28 minus 1 यानी 27 d. So अगर मुझे T28 ढूंढना है, so I will have to find a plus 27 d. Okay, so यहाँ तक क्लियर है. So ये फाइंड आउट करने के लिए either I have to know both a and d. a और d का वैल्यू मुझे पता होगा, then I can find a plus 27 d, right? So a और d दिया है क्या हम लोग क्वेश्चन में? a और d नहीं दिया क्वेश्चन में, बट क्या दिया है क्वेश्चन में? दिया है सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 55 टर्म्स. सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 55 टर्म्स यानी SN का फॉर्मूला मैं यूज कर सकता हूं. SN का फॉर्मूला यूज करके क्या मिलेगा? n/2 2a plus n minus 1 d. दिस इज द फॉर्मूला, और इसका वैल्यू मुझे पता है. इसका वैल्यू क्या है? 300. सो या इसमें से या तो मुझे लेट मी करेक्ट द कलर. सो इस फॉर्मूला में से either I should get A and D. Okay, that could be the one way to solve this problem. इस फॉर्मूला में से मुझे A और D मिलना चाहिए, या फिर A और D नहीं मुझे मिल रहा है, then I should directly get A plus 27D, or I should get A plus 27D. अगर ये दोनों में से मुझे कुछ भी मिल गया, then I can use it here, and using it I can get T28. I'll repeat one more. हम लोग क्या पूछा था 20th टर्म यानी T28. इसका जब फॉर्मूला में यूज किया, then I found out A plus 27D. So A plus 27D को कैलकुलेट करने के लिए I should know both A and D. Okay. या फिर मुझे A plus 27D का वैल्यू पता होना चाहिए. So ये दोनों में से कुछ भी दिया है क्या क्वेश्चन में? The answer is no. क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया है? SN का वैल्यू दिया है. SN का यहाँ पे N क्या 55. So S55 दिया है. S55 का फॉर्मूला हमें पता है, राइट? SN का फॉर्मूला क्या पता होने की वजह से. So इस फॉर्मूला में से either I should get A and D. अगर A and D मिल गया तो मैं यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करके T28 फाइंड आउट कर सकता हूँ, और I should get A plus 27D का वैल्यू, जिसको मैं यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करके T28 ढूंढ सकता हूँ. This is the process of back calculating. क्या पूछा है देखो, क्या दिया है देखो, and how can you bridge that gap. Okay, now let us try solving. I know I have to begin with SN. Okay, so I will first write what I know. What is given is S55. S55 is 3300. This has been given. Now I'll start solving. मुझे पता है A and D is going to be used, so let me introduce the variables. Let A and D be the first term and common difference respectively. Okay, so now I've written the given, and I've introduced the variables. Now I can start solving. S56 का S55 का SN का पहले फॉर्मूला लिखूंगा. SN is equal to N upon 2 2A plus N minus 1 D. Okay, I've written the formula. Now I'll start substituting. So SN की जगह पे I'll write S55 is equal to N by 2 यानी 55 by 2, 2A वैसे का वैसा, प्लस N minus 1 यानी 55 minus 1 54D. Okay, 54D. This I have got using the formula. Now S55 I know. S55 क्या है? 3300. So 3300 I will write instead of S55. Also यहाँ पे RHS में I can see ये 2 को मैं बाहर ले सकता हूँ. 54 भी 2 से डिवाइड हो सकता है. So I will write 55 into 2A plus 54D divided by 2, and I can start dividing by 2 now. Okay, so यहाँ पे 2 ones are 2, and 2 2s are 4, 1 carry forward, 2 7s are 14. So now if you see, you are getting A plus 2D. Okay, so 3300. Let me write this on the right hand side. Okay, so what am I getting? 3300 is equal to 55 into A plus 27D. So now you can see हमें A plus 27D मिल गया. बट अगर समझो तुम लोग ने बैक कैलकुलेट नहीं किया होता और तुम लोग ने सॉल्व करना शुरू किया होता, तुम लोग को पता नहीं होता कि यही आंसर है. तुम लोग को पता है कि यही हमें ढूंढना है. क्यों? क्योंकि तुमने ऑलरेडी बैक कैलकुलेट करके देखा है कि इफ वी गेट A plus 27D we'll get the answer. So you want A plus 27D, right? So दोनों जगह को 55 से डिवाइड कर दो. So divide here by 55, divide here by 55. So 55 निकल जाएगा, right? So यहाँ पे 55 will get cancelled, and now we have to do 55 divide 3300 divided by 55. Again I'll draw a rough column and try to divide it. Okay, so 300 3,300 divided by 55. So I can see ये 33 और 55 दोनों 11 में रहेंगे. So 11 5s will be 55, 11 5s are 55, 11 3s are 33 और ये 0 वैसे के वैसे. Okay, so it is 300 divided by 55. So 5 1s are 5, 5 6 are 30 and 1 0 वैसे का वैसा. So I'll get answer is equal to 60. So 55 1s are and 55 60s are 3,300. So I'm getting 60 is equal to A plus 27D. Put this as 1. Okay, now what do you have to find? T28. So T28 is equal to again write Tn का formula first. Formula के अलग marks होते हैं. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. Okay, so T28 is equal to A plus n minus 1 यानी 27 D. So T28 इसके पे तुम लोग क्या लिखोगे? 60 लिखोगे. This is equal to 60 and you will write from 1. Okay, so तुम्हें आंसर मिल गया. T28 is equal to 60. Now is your question done? The answer is no. Write the final answer in statement form. Okay, so what will the statement be? The statement will be the 28th term of this AP is 60 and box the final answer using pencil. So this is your final answer. Okay, so again it was not very difficult if you know how to back calculate. Okay, क्या पूछा है देखो, क्या given है question में ये देखो, and how can you connect both of them. Okay, okay, that's it for today. We have completed the first 6 sums. The remaining 3 sums I think we will complete in the next video. Okay, so that's it for today. See you guys. Bye.